To the Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, my beloved Guru, Grand Master Chakoksui, Lord Mahaguruji Mailing, all the great ones, holy Gurus, holy Masters, saints, archangels, holy angels, and all the spiritual helpers, to each and every one of you, to Rhonda Byrne for her amazing teachings, and to each and every one connected to this lovely book, The Magic. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that shows up in my life every day. Thank you for this beautiful, perfect, healthy body, all my relationships, each and every person, the abundance that's flowing into my life, the success, the protection, the good health, the wisdom, the creativity, the right people, the physical healing, perfect relationships. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you, thank you, thank you. So, we have come on day 16 and I think 12 more days are left. I'm very impressed with everyone and myself that we have been successful enough to kind of follow these activities. Yesterday was heal your relationships, and today it's magic and miracles in health. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Such beautifully said. I mean, when I was reading this chapter, when I read before I do this session, I think I just took like this pause just after reading this first line of this chapter, that such a beautiful way to something just changed in me as soon as I just read this line. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Saint Augustine, theologian and Catholic bishop. We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time, because that is how it feels to have our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel the way this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are also state of less than full health. So see, mental health, depression, anxiety, fear, emotional issues that make us feel low, less, are also included in this particular chapter. Mental health problems is considered a health issue. It's a medical condition, not just something that just shows on our physical body. Gratitude is one of the fastest ways I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body. Where before there was less than full and perfect health, if you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your life, in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracle stories on the secret website www.thesecret.tv/stories. Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body, and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Sorry, I missed a paragraph. When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it. like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore your health at all. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings. And gratitude is the easiest way to do it. Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there is something you don't like about your body, you are not being grateful for your body, think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so complaining about your body or your appearance puts your very health at risk. Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken away from him or her. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. You may be sick or unwell right now, or even in a lot of pain. But if you are reading these words, if you are listening, if you are watching this video, if you are listening to what I'm saying, or if you are reading this book, you are continuing to receive the gift of health, the gift of abundance, the gift of nature. It can be very difficult to access to the feelings of gratitude when in sick or in pain. But even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to body. Today's practice, magic and miracles in health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness. And we are going to take a triple pronged approach to accelerate the results. Step 1. Health you have received past. Think about the great health you have received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magic words, thank you, and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect 3 separate times very, very easily. Step 2. Health you are continuing to receive. Think about the health you are continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidney, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one, mentally say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Step 3. Health you want to receive in future. You are going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice. But you are going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Pay attention. Think about the ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything, you have put into motion, to receive, receive back the ideal state. Very often, when a person is diagnosed with illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about it, its possible worsening symptoms, and dreaded outcomes. In other words, they give the entire focus to disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite of it and focus on the ideal state for the area of your body that is unwell. and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. As you see your body in your mind the way you want it to be, grateful for it as though you have already received it. So if you want to magically restore health of your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys. If you want to change anything about a particular organ on your physical appearance, visualize that and be grateful as though you have already achieved that, or as though that organ has already healed. Or simple thing is, what happens now, see what happens is, people who are going through something, a physical ailment, for example a cold. Now, somebody who has cold is either continuously sneezing or a dry nose or a runny nose. You have to visualize yourself in a healthy nose. And how does it feel? You have to visualize that. For example, uh, you need to visualize the outcome of good health related to that particular organ. You need to visualize the outcome of the physical appearance. What is the outcome that you are willing to manifest in your life? If you want to magically restore your health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, give thanks for perfect hearing. Or some more examples are more flexibility, perfect, supple, and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it. Whatever you want to improve, first imagine yourself with that ideal state and then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it. Natural forces within us are the true healers of diseases. It is by father of Western medicine, Hippocrates. The name is Hippocrates, Hippocrates. You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to, and you can do it multiple times in a day because it's only going to take you 1 minute or 1.5 minutes for every magical gratitude prayer. But it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want and be grateful, being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health other than taking good care of yourself physically is to continue being grateful of your current health. End of chapter 16. And now what you need to do tomorrow is that you need to make a list of 10 things that you're grateful for. Make a list of the, continue maybe being grateful for 1 or 2 relationships, your health. Recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt top on the world physically. Maybe, you actually felt very healthy while doing some physical exercise, or you just felt healthy, or don't you think your physical, I mean, just giving you an example related to current scenario, if anybody in this scenario of pandemic is still healthy, don't you have enough reason to be grateful for your physical body for protecting yourself from this virus? Don't you think you need the first thing that uh, you know should make you feel at the top of the world is this state? If you are healthy, if you are healthy right now, and if you are not somebody who has caught the virus, first thing I have given you already. You have to identify 2 more things, 2 more events in your life that made you feel top of the world physically. Think about 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one give thanks for each one of them. Choose one thing of your body or your health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state. Just before going to bed tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you while visualizing the best thing that happened to you today. Day 17, that is tomorrow, is the magic check. The topic is the magic check. So that's how a magic check looks like, which is tomorrow's chapter. So please do these activities, share the videos. This is really nice. This particular magic health, you might actually, if you share these techniques with someone, you might actually be able to really help somebody who's willing to receive health. And gratitude is, I feel that it's the healing available to all in abundance, without any exchange, without any uh, token of exchange. You just have to give gratitude, and I'm telling you, things begin to fall in place. Because I know a lot of people who will say that they don't have enough resources to consult a doctor, or like start a new business, in attract right situations. Gratitude is for free. You just have to express it, and things begin to fall in place. I hope you are going to be an instrument of helping someone today and every day. And thank you for joining. Thank you everybody for joining. Thank you, Rhonda. Thank you, universe. Thank you everybody connected to the magic. Thank you, all of you. I love you all. And thank you, my guru. Thank you, Pranic Healing. Thank you, universe. Thank you. I wish you all a perfect health and a very good, abundant life in all areas. Thank you. Have a very good night.